What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the #1 Rideshare YouTube channel in the world. Thank you so much for 45,000 subscribers, baby. We did it. We did it. We're rising the ranks of the Rideshare YouTube channels. We're going up. We're going bigger and better. We're coming for you, the Rideshare Guy. We're coming for you. Dustin is driving. Ryan is driving. Probably won't ever get there, but hey, thank you for 45,000 subscribers. Today's video, guys, we're talking about a new scam. A new scammer that's targeting Uber and Lyft drivers. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, or if you know anybody who drives for Uber or Lyft, or honestly any of these gig platforms, you need to share this video with them. So please, thumbs up this video. Give this video a big, juicy thumbs up so more people can see this video and not get scammed, because the last thing we want to do is I was gonna show up some money, but I don't carry cash anymore. So I'm gonna show this because our money is in our online bank account. I use Yada Savings. If you don't want your money to be scammed and taken from you, tap the thumbs up button, turn it blue, because more people need to not get scammers. All right, here's the situation, guys. I ended up launching a new YouTube channel called The Finance Hub. I want you, if you're watching this, if you like making money, go subscribe to The Finance Hub, because over there, I'm gonna be talking about different ways to make money outside of Uber and Lyft and rideshare and gig economy. I'm gonna talk a little bit about, driving Uber and Lyft over there, but I'm also gonna talk about real estate. I'm in the process of buying my first home and fixing it up, so I'm gonna be documenting that experience. I'm gonna be going over stimulus check updates. I'm gonna be going over different other ways to make money, credit cards, investing, stocks, just basically how much money I make on YouTube, how much I'm gonna break down my net worth over there, my income. I'm gonna do it all. So that's the new channel, The Finance Hub. It's been an incredible journey over here on the Rideshare Hub. I'm gonna keep making videos here, but the thing is, these videos, like this video for instance, wouldn't make sense over there. So we're gonna keep this channel, the Rideshare Hub, specifically for rideshare and food delivery, and that for finance, personal finance, paying off your debt, credit cards, all that stuff. I've been trying to kind of incorporate it into this channel, but it just doesn't make sense. So I'm making 2 channels now. So go subscribe over there. We already got like 10 videos up. So without further ado, if you do want to sign up for Uber and Lyft, use the links below to get a sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. Check out the links and codes down below. And also, if you want to sign up for Yada Savings and enter in to win up to $10 million every single week, use my link down below, because you will get 100 bonus tickets when you sign up with my link and code. All right, now let's get started, shall we? By the way, this is Yada Savings. I just want to show this to you before I talk about the scam, because this is the newest online savings account. I just deposited, $40,000 in my account, and the way it works is they pick numbers every single week. It's honestly super freaking dope, and you can win all these cash prizes every single week, up to $10 million. So far this week, I've won $2.50, but we still have 2 days left, 2 more drawings. The next one's in 13 minutes, and the next one, so I could potentially win up to $1,000 this week. So we'll see how much I make, potentially even more, a couple grand. I don't know. It's free, by the way, no fees. You put in your money, and then you get more tickets. That's how it works. So you don't ever lose any money. You can just withdraw all your money back, and then plus how much money you make with the tickets. Anyways, here it is. This is Terrell Word Howard. He posted in my Facebook group about a couple weeks ago. He goes, has anyone received a call from Uber recently about a $250 promotion being activated into your account for outstanding performance? And did you actually receive the funds? My friends, this is a serious post. This gentleman is asking a serious question. Has anybody received a call from Uber? When was the last time you received a call from Uber? They communicate with you through email. But if you're a new driver and you get the way they do this, guys, by the way, just so you don't fall for this, is if you if you're driving Uber and you get a ride, it'll actually be from your passenger, quote unquote. They're ordering a ride, and as soon as they get their driver, they call their driver through the phone. And what they do, sometimes if you're not smart, and you know, if you don't have your voicemails box set up, it goes, the number you were trying to reach, 714, blah, blah, blah. That scammer now has your personal phone number. They know you're an Uber driver. They're gonna call you again later the next day. But regardless, that's totally different. That's another scam. There's a lot of scams. What they'll do is they'll order a ride and they'll call up their passenger right away and be like, hello, this is Uber support calling you. And they'll try to actually sound very legit. They'll go, hi, this is Uber support calling you. We just wanted to thank you for driving, you know, putting in long hours this week. And they might even say, how many rides have you done this week? They go, I don't know, 75. They're like, oh, well, thank you so much for doing 75 rides. As a bonus, we're gonna deposit $250 into your account. And then what they do is, now they have your phone number. They might ask for your phone number or first and last name or whatever, and then they'll try to sign into your account. They have another phone right by you. And what they'll do is they'll try to sign in, and what do? They send a verification code, right? So they're literally doing it simultaneously, and then they say, all right, sir, just to confirm your account, we sent you a verification code. Can you please read that off to me? And they will. And then once they do that, guys, they use that number that you just told them to log into your account on their phone, and then they drop the call, change your password, and deposit all your funds into their account. I'm not joking. That's what happened. So I don't know if this guy actually fell for it, but look, these commenters know that's a scam. Don't give them any info. Absolutely a scam. Terrell Word Howard didn't know. He goes, wow. He's shocked, guys. He goes, wow, thank you for the heads up. Stephen Hubin goes, you're welcome. Those types of scams have stolen a lot of money from Uber and Lyft drivers. And yes, that's true. Why? Because a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers don't know any better. And a lot of them, guys, they're uneducated. I mean, I don't want to stereotype Uber and Lyft drivers, but most of them, you know, they're not generally. Let's just say if I had to pick somebody to complete a math challenge, I would probably pick an accountant over an Uber driver, or a lawyer over, I'm just saying. Just saying, an Uber driver is more likely to get scammed than a lawyer. And also, Uber drivers are typically desperate for money. So if they hear about a $250 promotion, they're gonna give them all the info in the world. So these scammers are actually pretty darn successful. Give them your account info and you will find out right quick. Oh gosh, David Moss. Glenn Zara goes, how would the $250 get to your account? The second they ask for your routing number and account number, hang up. Wow. Some people actually asking for routing. If you gave them any info, call Uber immediately and change all your SH. You just got scammed. Uber, Lyft, etc. will never call you. This is one of the oldest scam out there. That's a scam. Videotape the phone call and use speakers so we can hear it. Play along and ask tons of questions. Make it a comedy. Give bogus account numbers and then post it for all his... Kim Chastain she's quite a jokester. That would be funny. Yep, he said his name was Carl Uber. His name is Carl Uber. And he was in charge of the new driver appreciation committee. I sent all my info to the Nigerian embassy like they said. It's only been 18 months. Okay, he's joking. Lol. And if Uber would ever do this, too funny if you believe that 1 second. It's Uber recognizing you exist. LMAO. Stop. Uber only deals with us through email. Hang up. It's a scam where they will take your money. Wake up. It's a scam. Uber's there to make money, not give money. Stop. Hang up. It's a scam. Uber never calls you. They will contact you through email or the app, but never by phone. Trust me. If you know Uber, you'll know this is a scam. Scam was told by Uber representative. They will never call, only email or text. So there you go, guys. So if you ever do get a phone call, do not give them any info. It's a scam. Hang up. Unfortunately, this is a reality, so you just gotta be extra cautious. And here you go, guys. Now you guys know this is a scam. If you have any friends who are Uber and Lyft drivers, please share this video with them. Also, if they drive for DoorDash or Uber Eats or Postmates or Grubhub or whatever, this could happen to them too. You know, as soon as somebody orders food, they could call up the driver right away and say, hey, you qualify for a $100 bonus, give us all your info. Don't give them the info, guys. Or if someone sent you this video, thank you thank them for sending you this video because it just saved you from ever getting scammed. They're just looking out for you. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Again, go check out the Finance Hub. It's the new channel where we're talking about how to make money in other ways besides Uber and Lyft, because you guys might not know this about me, but Uber and Lyft is only 2 out of about 20 ways that I make money. I have an online clothing store. I make money as a TikTok creator. I have over 1 million followers on TikTok. I make money on YouTube. I make money through affiliate marketing. I'm planning getting into real estate. I do stock investing. So go check out the Finance Hub. It's my true passion of finally being able to express myself fully in the world of finance. I'm excited to start this journey with you all. Thumbs up this video, please, if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.